it's hurt or something.
Probably it.
Or just
Probably
just
throwing it out.
sitting here and the birds popped right up.
It's just kind of sitting there.
And not flying away.
Likes that spot. Don't make it
Don't
fly away.
make it fly away.
She's so
Why
scared.
did you tell me?
Because I just want
I'm in the sun. Trying to get some sun. And you guys need to get some sun. Pasty white skin.
to. Like, I'll put my foot right beside it. No, I don't want to. It's just gonna fly up on my leg and peck me.
You want me to?
Do it.
Hey, buddy.
Dude, this bird is so chill. No, don't.
Acting like that.
Play dead. Play dead. Just like rolls over. Play dead.
Cameron, your shirt's on backwards too, so it's really, yeah, your shirt's on backwards.
Okay.
It's a good video.
Stop!
Look,
Stop!
Hey, birdie.
you don't even match.
Do I have to match?
Birdie Junior.
Dude, what is he doing?
Said I bet it.
Whoa!
What's it gonna do to you? Just go wash your hands.
Oh my god!
Oh.
He's not even doing anything.
Holy crap. Do that again. Do that again. Do that again. Do that again. Do that
Do
again.
that again.
What do you think pecks me this time? That is so weird. Pet him. He won't even do anything. He's really soft. Feel him. Do it.
Dude, I don't want it.
Just do it.
You do it again. You do it again.
Do it again, do it again.
This is
Come on, again.
so cool.
It's not even doing anything.
Dude, I
Like if
I feel like he's-
It's our pet.
flying off
It's
right now.
our other pet.
He's not, dude. This would be our pet. We should fly.
We have 2 fish. We're good.
No, we
No.
need a bird. We need a bird.
It can just fly
We could
around.
I dare you to try and pick him up.
No.
Oh wait, what's it going?
He just pooped.
Yeah.
He pooped.
He just, you laid a turd, buddy. Come on,
Guys,
Junior.
you see that? You see that? Oh, I want to post this on YouTube.
Junior.
I want
Hey,
to post,
Junior.
I want to post this on YouTube.
Really?
Yeah.
You like our friend?
You like our friend? You like our friend?
Junior.
Junior?
His name is Junior.
His name is Junior.
The bird won't fly away.
He won't fly.
He won't. He won't.
Huh? I think it is.
Let's try and point it once. Just kidding.
Who's gonna peck me?
Friend.
Oh! I pet him right.
Cameron, pet him.
No, I'm not petting him.
No, he's seriously not doing anything.
Probably injured.
What?
Probably injured or something. Yeah, because birds just don't sit there and let you play with them.
I bet you did run into that window.
Well, we've had other birds run into the damn windows. Stupid
Ew,
birds.
let's
Well, how can you call him stupid when
When they run into a window, yeah, that's dumb.
Yeah, but they
Yeah,
can't see the window.
You never watched that window
Oh,
commercial?
oh.
Yeah, see, they're dumb.
Look, look. Oh my god, it looks like he's about to fly away. Try and pet him. Try and pet him. I don't want to pet him anymore. 'Cause
I feel like I want to get a rock and put it right in front of his mouth.
Dude, get a chip and put it to him. Like, dude, give him some food. Here.
Here, let's do this. Watch
No,
him.
no, no, give him some food. No, actual, no, not flour food.
No, flower.
Wait, let's stand. Hey, buddy, go.
Piece of bread. Really bad.
Hey, friend.
Hey, buddy.
I feel like he's gonna fly away now.
Hey, Junior. Hey, Junior. Junior.
Make
hey,
it
Dad.
bigger.
Hey,
Make the
Dad.
screen bigger. Like, yeah, like, yeah.
That big. Look at him.
Junior.
I got a mealworm.
Really?
Yeah.
Where was that?
We feed the fish things.
No, don't fly away. No.
They can't fly away.
Here you go. Eat it. Eat it.
Get some mealworms.
Eat it. Eat some mealworms.
Look, I zoom my screen in so I can get a
I
better
think
shot
it is
of it.
hurt because it tried to fly and couldn't do it.
He said to feed him some bread and eat that.
Yeah, you're not supposed to feed ducks even bread
Why?
because it doesn't go well with their diet. You're supposed to feed them grapes.
Look at this corner. Hey, Junior.
Here, take your food, buddy.
I bet I dare you to touch his foot.
See if he'll peck you.
Really?
Oh, what?
Yeah, the pecks him and holds on. He'll go like this, and he'll freaking fly somewhere else.
I'll throw him through the window.
Touch his nose.
I feel like screw up, Junior.
Read the door.
Ah! Screw up, Junior.
I scared him.
Do you get a Nerf gun?
Let's see if he'll peck this flower.
Oh, if it does, it's so amazing.
Hey, buddy.
No, don't let that.
Hey, buddy.
No! Oh my God! Junior! No!
Sorry, I'm sorry. We're sorry. We're all sorry.
We're sorry.
We're all sorry. Here,
We're sorry.
Ew, you're just touching it and it was just on his crap.
No, that was that up and throw it out in the yard now. Pick it out. Yeah, I want that.
Look at his poop. Just spread it apart.
We better wash
You want
our
some
hands after
Doritos?
this.
Oh yeah.
You should try and feed him a Dorito. You think he'd eat it?
Hey, Junior.
Right there. See that?
Aaron, did you touch the bird?
No.
Then you two have to wash your hands up.
Oh,
Oh,
Jesus.
stay there, bird. Stay there.
Are you scared of it?
Dude, it's like scary. It like wants to fly, but it wants.
It's walking or something.
Oh, oh.
Okay.
Fly, birdie, fly.
Fly, buddy, fly.
Dude, we should like pick him up. Put him on our freaking.
Oh, he's flying. Oh my God. Amazing.
He's flying. Maybe he just.
Pick,
Oh my God.
Hey,
You
bird.
should be still taking a video of this.
Yeah, I am.
It seems like he's not even barely hurt. He just flew
There's
all
the
out
bird,
like nothing.
guys. It's not dead.
Dude, try and pet it. Try and pet it again. Try and pet it.
Hey, buddy.
Buddy!
no,
But
no.
no!
Oh my gosh. That was so weird.
Wait, I can still see him. He's right there. Hey.
Where?
Dude.
Where is he? Where is he?
Oh my. That was awesome though. Here, we need to go look at that.